Bonus DFY call center. Never pick up the phone. 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions? Call 1-800-771-0769. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Now, what a bonus that is, okay? Now, I want to show you some results from Google, and then I'll show you results from YouTube if you stay with me, okay? So, what is the high ticket lifestyle 5 forbidden truths? And as you can see, I'm in incognito mode, so these are real results and you can search for yourself if you want. I do this every video. Okay. Number 1 result on YouTube is JJ, make money online with JJ. What is the high ticket lifestyle 5 forbidden truths? Okay. And if you click on that video, there I am right there, here and here. Okay. And there's my picture right there. So there I am over and over again with beard and everything like that. So, and how do I do this? I'll show you again. I'll show you my YouTube results in just a bit. But number 1 result on Google, okay? I do this over and over again, and so can you, okay? So, is the high ticket lifestyle legit? 3 absolute traps exposed. How the team bonuses and 233% ROI upgrade work. Decoding the high margin payout model exposes the massive mathematical advantage of focusing on high value transactions over low ticket volume. Now let me show you something before I move on. What that means is one $3,500 sale that you only pay $1,500 for if you take advantage of the 48-hour bonus upgrade. Okay, you can take as much effort for one $20 sale as one $3,500 sale. But look at this. You need 175 $20 sales if you even make $20 per commission, okay? But you make 100% or more for each one of these. So 3,500 divided by 20 is 175 sales. Now imagine how many people have to talk to do 175 sales. And I remember, let your sponsor relax, right? Don't DFY call center. They do all the selling and telling for you. But can you imagine getting $3,500 and you only paid $1,500? That's a 233% ROI. Okay, and you didn't even talk to the person. They either went to the auto through the autoresponder, or they called the hotline. They listened to a 3-minute message. They left a number and their name, and a high ticket salesman or the owner called them back, right? Now, high ticket architecture shifts your focus to premium offers that deliver substantial cash flow per transaction, allowing you to generate significant income with a fraction of the customer base. This concentration of revenue not only stabilizes your cash flow, but also provides the financial muscle needed to scale your traffic acquisition. You stop worrying about daily survival and start focusing on long-term business expansion and asset accumulation. If you're tired of questioning the mechanics of online income and want to see the exact framework connection, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Now, why am I repeating this blog? Okay, you already saw my Google results, right? And I'm going to show you my YouTube results over and over again. It's like a slot machine. If you kept hitting, and this was evergreen traffic that can be here for days, weeks, months, and years, and 10 years from now, and you could still be getting rankings and traffic, okay? And it worked over and over again like mine does. You could watch videos from years ago and you'll still see me ranking for that term. That's evergreen traffic or you can keep doing it over and over again. And after a couple of days, your Facebook posts, your Instagram posts, they're gone, right? And nobody's finding them. Escaping the 9 to 5 corporate matrix demands a radical shift in how you view security risk and income generation. Is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? Why low-ticket affiliate programs are a total waste of time? The traditional employment model has conditioned workers to trade their time, a 9 to 5, for a predictable paycheck while remaining entirely vulnerable to corporate downsizing, inflation, and economic shifts, and even AI, right? True security does not come from a boss who can eliminate your position with a single email. It comes from owning a digital system that generates direct commissions and puts you in complete control of your financial destiny. Breaking out of this matrix requires courage, discipline, and a willingness to reject the conventional wisdom that tells you to play it safe in a dying system. Is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? Automated closing versus manual phone sales for beginners. Automated closing versus manual labor represents the ultimate dividing line between a stressful online job and a true scalable enterprise. If you're personally trying to close every single lead, answer endless questions on social media, and negotiate with skeptical prospects, you have built a digital prison. Automated closing systems utilize professional closers and proven phone scripts to handle objections and finalize high-ticket transactions on your behalf. This separation allows you to leverage expert sales mechanics without having to spend your life on the phone. You focus entirely on driving targeted attention into the intake funnel, while the automation handles the conversion friction. To dive deeper into our architectural bath and explore the complete blueprint, review our detailed guide on the high-ticket lifestyle pay plan. Okay. Is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? Own land versus rented social media real estate protection. The mathematics of direct commissions eliminate the hidden taxes and delayed payouts imposed by corporate middlemen and complex multi-tiered networks. Now, most of you get paid every 2 weeks, and some of you get paid over a week, and some of you get paid every month. It's a predictable 9 to 5, okay, for most of us. Now, some people get paid on sales and everything like that. But can you imagine getting a $3,500 or $5,000 commission right away to whatever payment processors you want? I got like 10 set up, okay? PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Walmart to Walmart, silver, gold, however, money order. Okay, if you know somebody in their own town, okay, you could meet them and get a cold hard cash, okay? However you want to be paid, you can be paid, okay? I have like 10 different ways to get paid, okay? When you participate in a system that routes 100% commissions revenue directly to your merchant account, you retain complete control of your earnings, okay? There's no middleman. There are no corporate callbacks, no arbitrary trust threshold locks, and no waiting months to access your hard-earned capital. This direct payout structure provides immediate liquidity, giving you the financial agility required to reinvest in your business, scale your traffic, and accelerate your path to absolute financial independence. Now watch this, okay? Let me see if I can find it. 48-hour upgrade bonus. Only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you can't miss this timer, okay, it's huge, you will be rewarded with the next level qualification. Now, join the $500 level, get no upgrade. Join the $1,500 level, this is the sweet spot, get qualified at the $3,500 level. So what does that mean? $1,500 plus the admin fee, and then you can make $3,500, $1,500, or $500 over and over and over and over again. You pay $1,500 plus the admin fee, $1,697, one time, and you can make all this money, $3,500, which you didn't even join at, right? $1,500, $500 over and over again. Now imagine you get a $3,500 sale, a $1,500 sale, and a $500 sale in your first month. That is $5,500, and you only paid $1,697. You almost made like 3 times your money back in 1 month. Okay, and now what the high ticket lifestyle teaches you is how to take that money, right? I'm gonna show you right here. Take that money, see if it's right here, and make more and more money with it. Get instant access to, okay, the $500 level is a one-page funnel, no cost to you, step-by-step 10K blueprint to start getting paid, how to build a passive 10,000 a month affiliate brand, complete Bitcoin and crypto currency education, DFY marketing materials to get results fast, and earn $500 commissions to you on every sale. Now that's $500 level. Plus $1,500 level, you get everything in bronze, including how to day trade Bitcoin at a 90% win rate. Let me read that again. Live 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time training to market with the owner. The owner will help teach you and be with you live, holding your hand, showing you exactly how he markets every single day and help you grow your business, right? Make more money. The Bitcoin war exposed and how to fight back now. Earn $500 and $1,500 direct commissions to you on every sale. But remember I told you can make $3,500, right? 100% free 48-hour action taker bonus. Join the silver level and get upgraded to the gold level. Yes, you will be qualified to earn up to $3,500 commissions. Now, most people give you worthless PDFs that you'll never use, or you can make up to $2,000 per sale more than you even paid. What? Yeah, you heard me correctly. Okay, is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? Unmasking the guru industry hype and fake income clients. Owned land versus rented digital real estate is a foundational strategy that protects your business from arbitrary rule changes of third-party platforms. Building your entire audience and brand on social media networks means you are renting space on land that can be repossessed or restricted whenever algorithm updates dictate. Okay, a sovereign operator focuses on building owned assets, including dedicated capture pages, authority blocks, and proprietary email databases that remain entirely under your control. You own them. You're not worried about Facebook deleting it because you own your list, right? By shifting your primary focus to owned infrastructure, you insulate your business from external volatility and ensure long-term stability. Now, remember I told you I was going to show you YouTube results, right? Okay, so we're going to go to YouTube. And we're going to see the same thing. Incognito mode. Now look at this. We're refreshing. And guess what? I was number 1 on Google. And I'm number 1 and number 2 on YouTube. And you can do the same thing. Okay, this is the type of elite training we have for you and people that join with you. Now, this is a step-by-step blueprint to escape your 9-to-5 corporate job. Is it? Unmasking the guru industry illusions reveal the manipulative tactics used by fake mentors to sell low-value products to unsuspecting beginners. The online space is saturated with self-proclaimed experts pushing complicated funnels and worthless courses that leave students broke and exhausted. True authority is demonstrated through transparency, mechanical clarity, and verifiable system architecture. And again, we teach you how to day trade Bitcoin and at a 90% win rate and make more and more money from one high-ticket transaction. Take your money and make more and more and more money. Okay, you get 100% of the pie. Would you rather get the whole pie or would you like a teeny slice, right? You don't just want to wet your whistle, right? And they sport rented cars and fake lifestyle flexing. When you strip away the industry hype and focus on raw execution, you realize that building a real digital business requires discipline, integrity, and adherence to proven operational fundamentals. Now, you can remain trapped in the conventional grind, or you can step up, build your infrastructure, and claim your digital sovereignty today. These are the frequently asked questions, but I'm JJ Solley, and this was my, let me see, is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? Why low-ticket affiliate programs are a total waste of time review. Okay, I think that's actually, they're not the thing. 3 absolute traps exposed. And I'm your host, JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get with Jada today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Remember to call that number and ask your questions, okay? That number right there, 1-800-771-0769. Peace.